Okay, let's talk about something maybe a bit overlooked. Toilet installation.
Right. Sounds pretty basic, doesn't it?
It does. But, there's this hidden depth, potential savings, even environmental stuff tied up in it.
Absolutely.
So today we're doing a deep dive based on some insights from Pacific Blue Mechanical, specifically their piece, Toilet Installation Services in Port Coquitlam. Expert solutions.
Ah, good local focus.
Exactly. And our mission here is to unpack why getting this done professionally, especially using a trusted local service in places like Port Coquitlam, isn't just, easier. It's actually a pretty crucial investment for your home.
Well, you hit on something key right away. The whole lifespan, the performance of that toilet, it really hinges on getting that installation spot on.
How so?
It's not just plunking it down. It's about meticulous positioning. And critically, getting that seal absolutely perfect.
The wax ring bit.
That's the one. If that's not done right, well, you're looking at these slow, invisible leaks that can just creep into the subfloor, rot the flooring.
Ugh. Serious damage you wouldn't even see until it's too late.
Thousands in repairs, easily. Often completely unseen until major work is needed.
Okay, so that brings us to the benefits for, the homeowner's wallet. This is where it gets really interesting.
Right.
You might think, professional installation, that's going to cost more up front.
Right. That's the common assumption.
But the surprising thing is, it tends to save you time and money. Significantly.
How does the time saving work?
Well, an experienced pro. Someone who does this day in, day out, they can often get it done in less than half the time it would take someone.
Yeah.
Well, someone like me trying to figure it out.
Yeah, avoiding the frustration factor too.
Totally. And those upfront costs.
Oh.
They kind of melt away when you think about avoiding, say, a huge plumbing repair bill because of a DIY mistake.
Or a leak repair, like we just mentioned.
Exactly. Plus, a lot of these professional services, the reputable ones anyway, they offer warranties on their work. That completely takes the risk out of it for you.
And that connects to the bigger picture, doesn't it? A toilet installed by a pro isn't just a quick fix. It's laying the groundwork for longevity.
How long are we talking?
Well, a properly installed toilet, treated reasonably well, can easily last 25, maybe even 30 years.
Wow, that's much longer than I would have guessed.
It really reduces how often you need to think about replacement. And it guarantees, reliable performance, consistent flushing, no weird leaks cropping up. It's peace of mind, basically.
Knowing your bathroom isn't going to bring a nasty surprise on you.
Exactly that. No unexpected plumbing headaches.
And the benefits go beyond just pure function, right? What about the look of the place?
Oh, definitely. A toilet isn't just a utility piece. It's a big part of your bathroom's overall aesthetic. A clean, professional installation just looks better. It enhances that visual appeal, which actually makes your home more attractive if you ever decide to sell.
Right. It could help it stand out in the market. And I guess it makes home inspections smoother, too. No red flags there.
Precisely. It boosts buyer confidence when they see work done properly.
Okay, so this brings up something important. What about safety? And rules and regulations?
Yes, that's a huge factor. Professional installers, especially ones focused locally, like the Port Coquitlam example, they know the regional building codes intimately.
Things most homeowners wouldn't even be aware of.
Absolutely. They make sure everything, every connection, every fitting adheres to those standards. That's vital for your family's safety and, frankly, avoiding issues down the road if you renovate or sell.
And they use the right materials, too, I assume, not just whatever's cheapest.
Good point. They use high-quality, safe materials, plus they're trained to spot potential hazards before starting. Maybe old plumbing that needs attention. They can flag that.
Creating a safer home environment overall. Okay, there's another angle here I hadn't really considered until digging into this. The environment.
The water usage aspect, yes.
How does professional installation help there?
Well, pros are usually up to date on the latest water-efficient models. Think low-flow toilets or the dual flush ones.
Right, the ones with 2 buttons.
Exactly. They can recommend and, crucially, correctly install these. This isn't just, a nice green choice. It makes a real dent in your household water usage.
Saving water, which is good for the planet.
And good for your wallet, too. Lower utility bills every single month. You could be saving thousands of gallons of water and noticeable money every year just from a well-chosen, properly installed toilet.
That's a powerful combination.
It really is. And just to loop back to our source material from Pacific Blue Mechanical, their advice on choosing a service really rings true here.
What do they suggest?
They emphasize, the basics, but they're important. Check reviews, definitely verify their licensing, which is super important for local service, ensuring they know your area's specifics and make sure they're properly insured.
Covers all the bases.
It just reinforces why bringing in real professionals makes sense for something so, fundamental to your home's plumbing system. And you can usually find these details, like licensing and service areas, right on their website.
Okay, so wrapping this up, it seems pretty clear. What looks like a simple job, toilet installation, actually has these really profound benefits when you get it done professionally.
Yeah, it's way more than just hooking up pipes.
It's a smart investment. Saves money, adds value to your home, ensures safety, even helps out environmentally. Quite a list.
It really is a cascade effect, isn't it? So maybe the final thought for you listening is this. What stands out to you about how taking that professional care, even for these everyday fixtures we take for granted, can lead to a home that's just more efficient, more valuable, and ultimately more sustainable?